Okay guys, so I'm going to be making a soup today. So here are the ingredients that I'm going to use in order to make my soup. So generally I like to say with this soup you can use whatever you have in your fridge, or whatever you have that you would like to use up. A soup is a fine way to do that. So here I have what is called yam. So I'm going to be using some yam. This is some green bananas, a bell pepper, a carrot, some seasoning peppers. I had some broccoli stalks that I had put in the freezer. I'm going to be using that as well. Of course, I'll be putting some onion and garlic in it. And I also have some fish here that I'm going to season up to also add to it as well. So I already added the green seasoning to it. I'm going to add the other seasonings. And I'm going to use all these things that I have here in order to make a soup. Alright, so to the fish I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of salt. I have some ginger powder. I'm going to add some ginger powder to it as well. I'm going to add some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning blend. I'm going to add some garlic powder. I'm going to add some onion flakes or onion powder. Okay, so now we're going to mix everything together. I washed my fish out with some lime before. Okay, so let's set this aside to soak in the seasonings, and let's now prep all the other ingredients. Okay guys, so I have all the ingredients peeled, and now what I'm going to do is cut them up to make the soup. Okay guys, so here I have everything cut up, ready for our soup. That I'll add some cannellini beans to my soup as well. Okay guys, so at this point I'm going to add a little bit of ghee to my soup. Alright, going to add in the fish now in order to cook.